Wickham is an affordable, rural acreage lifestyle property located in the historic Mount Mort Valley district, renowned for its fertile farming and grazing country, ideally located just 80 kilometres from the Brisbane CBD. Ipswich is less than half of that distance, and Rosewood, being the western extremity of the electrified city train network, is just 20 minutes away, whilst the school bus runs past the front gate. The property, with an approximate area of 64 hectares or 160 acres, has been in the one family for nearly 40 years and is being offered by the executors to finalise the estate. The property, accessed by Sealed Road, incorporates a home plus a separate cottage and offers glorious views, including Mount Beau-Brummel, the Little Liverpool Range, a spur of the Great Dividing Range, and Mount Mort. Around 20 acres of fertile alluvial flats have previously been cultivated, whilst the balance of country, made up of undulating ironbark ridges, has good timber on offer. The farm has carried up to 30 breeders, or will fatten up to 60 steers when dryland oats are planted on the cultivation. The previous owner, the well-known Ipswich golf professional, the late Ken Davidson, had established a 5-hole golf course, the shape of which can still be seen today. The parcel is well watered from 3 springs, natural catchment dams, and a bore which pumps at 300 gallons per hour. The bore, which has never run dry, ably services the cattle yards, taps for the established gardens, the house laundry, and the cottage, whilst a 5,000-gallon rainwater tank supplies the house kitchen and bathroom. Constructed in 1983 in an elevated northeast-facing position overlooking the Mount Mort Valley, the low-maintenance double-brick home is bathed in the warm morning winter sun and captures cool, early afternoon summer breezes. Silky oak French doors connect the 3 bedrooms, dining room and lounge to expansive verandas on all 4 sides. Internal flooring is predominantly slate, whilst a double-sided fireplace connecting the dining and lounge rooms is a real focal point of the residence. An 11-metre saltwater swimming pool is fully fenced, and the billiard room with bar has sleeping accommodation for guests, as this is a house designed for visiting family and friends and easy entertaining. A separate self-contained 1-bedroom cottage offers flexible and additional guest accommodation or a full-time granny flat. Other improvements include a large, powered, fully concreted 80 by 20-foot steel shed, chook pen, round yard and cattle yards with loading ramp. Wickham was the realisation of a dream for Ken and his wife Audrey, and was named after Ken's family home in Ipswich. Riding horses, bicycles and motorbikes, along with many a slow weekend lunch on the veranda, were some of the family's favourite pastimes as they grew up celebrating life's milestones in this idyllic country setting. A wonderful and affordable opportunity now exists for you and your family to enjoy, all on offer here at Wickham. Contact Barry Quinn to arrange your inspection.